Airport travel with a mobility scooter. What travelers need to know. Have you ever wondered how air travel works when someone uses a mobility scooter? From check-in to security screening to boarding the plane, the process can seem confusing, especially for first-time travelers. But here's the good news. Airports and airlines have systems in place to help make travel smoother and more accessible. In this video, we're going through a simple general guide to traveling through the airport with a mobility scooter, including important steps travelers should know before arriving at the terminal. Before heading to the airport, one of the most important things travelers can do is contact the airline ahead of time. Airlines usually ask for details about the mobility scooter, including battery type, weight and dimensions, whether the scooter folds or disassembles. This matters because some battery types have special transport rules, especially lithium-ion batteries. Many airlines also recommend arriving earlier than usual when traveling with mobility equipment. Extra time can help avoid stress during check-in and security procedures. At check-in, when arriving at the airport, travelers typically check in at the airline counter instead of using self-service kiosks. Airline staff may tag the scooter, confirm battery information, explain boarding procedures, arrange assistance if needed. Some travelers can continue using their scooter all the way to the boarding gate, depending on the airport and airline policies. Going through security. Security screening procedures may look a little different for mobility scooter users. Instead of walking through standard scanners, travelers may receive an alternate screening process while staying seated on their scooter. Security officers may inspect the scooter manually, swab equipment for testing, ask a few basic questions. The goal is to complete screening safely while keeping the traveler comfortable and mobile. At the boarding gate, before boarding begins, airline staff often speak with passengers using mobility devices to explain the next steps. In many cases, the scooter is taken at the gate, it's stored in the cargo area during the flight, the traveler transfers to an aisle chair if needed. Because airplane aisles are narrow, specialized aisle chairs are commonly used to help passengers reach their seats safely. During the flight, most airlines provide accessibility support during the flight, but services can vary depending on the carrier and aircraft type. Travelers may want to keep medications and essentials in a carry-on bag, bring charging cables if permitted, inform staff of any specific mobility needs ahead of time. Planning ahead can make the experience much smoother. After landing. Once the flight arrives, mobility scooters are usually returned either at the aircraft door or in a designated baggage area. Sometimes delays can happen, especially during busy travel periods, so travelers are often advised to remain near the gate until equipment arrives. It's also a good idea to inspect the scooter before leaving the airport and report any issues immediately. Final thoughts. Traveling with a mobility scooter may involve a few extra steps, but millions of passengers fly successfully every year using mobility devices. Understanding the process ahead of time can help reduce stress and make airport travel easier, more predictable, and more accessible for everyone. And as airports continue improving accessibility services, air travel is becoming more manageable for travelers with different mobility needs every year.